Good morning everyone. Today we will do the revision of the metals and the non-metals, their properties, physical and the chemical properties. So as we know, metals are the elements that conduct heat and electricity, malleable, ductile, lustrous, hard, strong, heavy, sonorous. So these are the properties of the metals. We can give the examples of the metals as the aluminium, copper, silver. But these properties are not present in the non-metals. Non-metals, on the other hand, they do not conduct heat and electricity, neither malleable nor ductile, they are brittle. So, firstly, you must come to know about some of the definitions as malleability. Malleability is the property of the metals by which they can be beaten into the thin sheets like the aluminium. As we can see the aluminium foil. Okay, so ductility, property of the metals by which they can be drawn into the thin wires like the copper wires we are using in the electricity. Then sonorous means property of the metals by which they can be they can give the ringing sound when struck. Then lustrous, giving the shining appearance. Okay, so these are the properties of the metals and the non-metals. There are some of the exceptions also with it. Exception already you have done, it is already given in your book, so you can do the exceptions also. Okay, now coming to the केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है बेटे जब किसी चीज़ के साथ रिएक्शन होती है. सो दीज आर द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़. इन द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ metals react with oxygen, give the metal oxides, and metal oxides they are basic in nature. ठीक है. उसके बाद metals they will react with the water, they will give the metal hydroxide which are also basic in nature. Then metals they will react with the dilute acid. ठीक है. Then मेटल्स की रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज आ जाती है बेटे. मेटल्स को सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन के साथ रिएक्ट करवाया जाता है, क्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्ट कराया जाता है, विच आर द फॉर्मिंग द मेटल क्लोराइड्स विच आर यू कैन से आयनिक इन नेचर. आयनिक क्लोराइड्स दे आर फॉर्मिंग. सो ये प्रॉपर्टीज सभी नॉन मेटल्स में नहीं होती. दे कैन रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, दे कैन नॉट रिएक्ट विद वाटर, डाइल्यूट एसिड्स. डिस्पाइट ऑफ दिस देयर इज अ टर्म already you have done, that is the amphoteric oxide, in which metal oxide they will react with both acid and base. means दोनों की तरह ही behave करते हैं. when they will react with the acid they are reacting as a basic oxide. ठीक है, acting as a basic oxide. when they will react with the base they will act as a acetic oxide. and one term more it is there, that is aquaresia. एक्वारेजिया होता है बेटे, इट इज़ अ फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड मिक्सचर ऑफ 1 part ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड नाइट्रिक एसिड एंड 3 parts ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, इट कैन डिजॉल्व ऑल मेटल्स. ठीक है, इट कैन डिजॉल्व इवन द गोल्ड एंड द प्लेटिनम मेटल्स. देन रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में बेटे इट इज़ द you can say arrangement of the metals in a vertical column in the order of decreasing order of their reactivity. And with the help of the reactivity series we can come to know which is the most reactive metal, which is the least reactive metal, and how they will react with the different substances. So these are the properties, physical and the chemical properties. Then uses also you can do metals and non-metals. ठीक है बेटे. So do revise this. Hope you all have understood. Okay, bye.